let's talk chicken. The hand broom type, specifically the Hen Wing Whisk. This here is a Hen Wing Whisk, and I want to tell you a little bit about what makes that different than a turkey wing and some different styles you might make from it. So I'm Jennifer, the head broom witch of Broom Witch Academy, and I sell as Brooms by Jenza. So I teach and I sell and I make. So let me tell you a little bit about the Hen Wing Whisk. The Hen Wing is a type of hand broom or whisk, however you want to call it. I kind of call them hand brooms, but it's called a Hen Wing Whisk because of how the sections are added in. So this is a turkey wing, and when you do a turkey wing, it jumps up. Each section jumps up. So you see those little right there. I have a bigger video on turkey wings, but it's just how it jumps up there. Where here, as you advance, you just keep on adding and going straight across as you're adding in. So that is, the style, if you would, or the type of hand broom would be a Hen Wing Whisk. But they all don't look like this. They could look like that. They could be little. They could look like this. They could be more wispy. They could look like this. And there's all different reasons to make them slightly different. So all that matters is how you advanced up. Your handles can be slightly different, like this just went up. Here we added some jumps as you would do a turkey wing. So these two are very similar in the material of the broom corn. This is higher up on the broom corn. It was cut versus this is the lower part. Why would I want this? For this one here, I'm not going to lie, it's like a fan. I don't use it for household cleaning. I use this one. Its purpose would be for me as an altar besom, something I am clearing sacred space with or clearing space. So if you hear people that are clearing their house out with a broom, they're not sweeping the actual floor. They're moving their air. They're moving the energy. And I like this shape for it, this kind of fan shape. Does not mean I couldn't use a little bitty bit. This personal preference. All right. This one I probably would use for cleaning. This is more my crumb brush type of thing. So tabletop. This island has, between the planks, has those little gaps. So this would be good at getting out those little crumbs in the gap with these stiffer bristles. When I go to something that is more wispy, that is not going to be good. It's just, see how it just kind of fans out? It's not getting in the cracks there. This would be more for, I would say, like dusting of my cobwebs. So cobweb dusting, just something that's light movement up on the ceiling fan, something I don't need a tall reach for, in that cobwebby type thing. Now these two, little bit more utilitarian for me. We have the same advancements up, no jumps, just adding in. These are probably very similar in the amount of broom corn used in each of the advancements, each of the sections, and they're very similar in size. But as you see, one has some wispies and one is not as wispier. So this wispy, again, we're going to be using for more cobweb situations. This is a great pusher. So this one definitely on crumb brushes, but I would also be able to use it with a dustpan or on a carpet. If I am going hard on a carpet that I'm trying to get a lot of stuff up and moved, this harder part the one that has the more harder bristles, I would probably use on that. But I have both options. So if I try this and it's not moving it, I can go over to this one. This is not going to be any use for me on a carpet. Carpet. So again, all are the Hen Wing Whisk, not to be confused with the turkey wing. It's a preference. I think they're slightly cuter. I tend to not do the large most of the time with a hen because I'm thinking cute. I tend to do the smaller ones, and bigger stuff I will tend to do the turkey wing, but there's no reason not to make a big one of this. This one's actually pretty tall. Good longer handle on this one. And that's slightly stiffer, but not as stiff as this one. Oh, there. This is actually the one you make in my course, the Broom Making Basics, the hand brooms. And the reason why we make a small one with the stiffer broom corn area is because I don't want you to make a big investment in the amount of broom corn that you're purchasing. So just coming into the course with a pound of broom corn is going to be able to get you a chicken wing, a hen wing, a turkey wing. So imagine if this came from the same 22 inches of broom corn, you could definitely make these two on it. So these are two of the things that you do make in the course when it comes to the hand brooms. We start with the pot scrubber, go to the veggie brush, and then we move to the chicken wing and the turkey wing. Oh, and I forgot, in the middle of all that, we do have the round crumb brush that you can turn into a flat crumb brush with the bonuses. And in the bonuses, there is a turkey, in the bonus is a hawk tail whisk. So many different styles, so many different types of hand brooms. Make up your own. Some people do. All right, my friends, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. Look in the links in the bios and every place for where you can get the Broom Making Basics, the hand brooms, if you're looking to learn. Okay, bye.